Hello, hello everyone. It's Donna again, and we are continuing on making various little donut appliques. And this particular design you see here is the second donut applique that video that I did. That worked off of the first one, and we are actually going to use this to modify it into a different design. So the first thing I'm going to do is import the image, and we are going to go ahead and do this. So as you can see, this doesn't have a center, so anything automatically with the center in it is going to be removed. That's the outer circle, the outer satin, inner, the placement line for the inner. I'll get rid of this because we don't need the center, and we don't need the center here. I'll delete that, and we don't need these sprinkles. So we now have actually the second applique pretty much already done. We are going to change the color of this. We're going to see if we can pick something from the image. It may come up with that strawberry ice color. Not sure. No, it's coming up azalea. We'll leave it. And then we're going to work on this right here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of click on this. And bring it around. That might be a little too far. I can go with there. And we're almost actually finished with this one. We will make the satin stitches, and let's go ahead and just see what the 2mm, that looks a little small, so we will make this 3mm. I think that'll be the perfect size, and the color for it is the 2271, which is the off-white. Now if we look at this, you will see we now have a third donut applique. So they're getting shorter and sweeter as we go. So we will talk to you later, and hope you can practice doing some of this and see how many donuts that you can create. So anyway, we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.